Now we start with 1 hour chart. We want to see whether we can get any trade setup. First of all, if you refer to our analysis, when the price was here, we mentioned if we get the buy setup, we can look for buy, but we see this move. All right, now we want to see whether we can get any buy from this in relative to this or not. No, first we start with a higher time frame. We see what we have there, and as we can see, we have been within this down move. But since last few days, we see the price is like within the small range, and what we want to see whether we get the bigger correction or this is the start of reversal. That means we can expect the price to correct here, then we get the reversal. But anyway, from what we have here, I think still we can look for buy based on lower time frame. Okay, if we move to forward chart, the first thing is whether this one can tend to a more corrective. If that means we this one move in terms of the corrective similar to what we have here, still we can look for this one in relative to this for one more drop. Okay, the only thing is as we can even later based on 1 hour chart we want to see this one can give us a one move up within this range, then from there we see whether there is a breakout for the continuation or not. Okay, but the only things I need to mention here, if this one we see is moving really corrective, we should know maybe we can expect one move down for sure. If we get one more drop, then we consider this correction is finished, and if we get the buy it can give us a better confirmation. All right, by the way, we want to see how we can trade it based on 1 hour chart. Okay, based on 1 hour chart, the only thing is right now we're looking for, we want to see we have this move and now we have this correction. If we get any buy setup from here, we take it, and when the price come to this high, we start to manage it. Okay, and the stop loss should be here. By the way, even the traders they can put here. I think the best things, if we get any buy setup from here, first we put our stop loss here. Then if we see the price came to this top, then from there whether we move to the break even or move our stop loss to here. Okay, anyway, right now the only thing is we were looking for buy within this correction. Okay, but if we get the buy we see is not moving fast, we take out the trade, because I may explain based on forward chart. If this one turns to a corrective way move, we can expect one move down. Okay, what we expect, we want to get the buy from here, and we want to price continue on with the sharp move at least to this top. Then from there we see how we can manage it. By the way, if this one become a deeper, can give us a better correct trade setup. The only thing is we're looking for this. Anyway, we just follow the chart. Right now we cannot trade it. The only thing is we get any sharp move with the flag. I think mostly this sharp move with the flag can be breakout of this top, or we having entry above this. Okay, but this one will be really risky, because if the price tag, if is within 1 or 2 hours is not moving, we take out the trade. We don't stay with the trade because we want the price tag and continue. Again, it depends on the traders whether they have experience or not. By the way, we're looking for buy. We see whether this one can give us a buy or not. But if we see the price is not moving fast because the turn to a corrective move, then we just take out the trade, because still we can expect the price to drop. Okay, and as I explained based on 4 hour chart, again here I need to mention any buy we consider as a short term. That's why if we see is not moving, we take out the trade. Okay, and that's why again I'm, as I explained based on 4 hour chart, if this one turn to a corrective move and the price drop, any buy from there, this is what we are more interested, because it can give us a better confirmation that this move is finished. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any changes or update and trade setup, then I will share. Thanks.